I really am not in the mood for making a video. Laura's sick. Sick as in I have a diabolical cough. I've got a headache. A bad headache actually. And my throat's sick. That was a really bad example. So first off, I'm not going to do the chewing gum challenge because my throat is as bad as it is right now. And I bet the majority of you, okay, maybe not the majority, but a few of you, you're going to think that I'm trying to avoid the challenge. Believe me, I'm not trying to avoid the challenge. I'm dying to do the challenge actually. But straight to the point, Louise, your song was really good. I really enjoyed it and it really made me laugh. Fiona, your Harry Potter act was unbelievably funny. I was just like, oh, this is good. But you two girls, I need to tell you something. You're putting the boys through hell. Louise, I mean, your challenge wasn't as bad. Dressing up as a girl. Yeah, that's not bad. Fiona, making them wax off a piece of hair? What the hell? That is so mean. I'm sticking up for the guys here, honestly, okay? I don't care what you say. I had a challenge planned for the two guys, but I'm not giving them a challenge now because they're gonna be in hell already. But I was gonna make them put on both face masks. And believe me, I'm not gonna do that now, okay? Because I'm a nice person. Sean, you gotta be nice to me now. Yeah. Seriously, guys, take it easy with the challenges, okay? We are not in Survivor here. That was the only television program that I could think of with challenges. Huh. Franny, your jokes in your video were really funny, actually. You're funny. You really are. Oh, and explicit. You didn't give me a challenge. I really wanted to know. Right, okay. You gotta tell me, though, what the challenge was in the first place. What? No challenges this week from Laura. Whoop. I've got a few individual questions for each one of you. Louise, what's your favourite drink? Other than booze, because we all know that it makes you pee. True. Now I want to know how many times have you been out foreign? And if you have, then where did you go? And what was the best holiday? Franny, I want to ask you if you could give up one of these things, which would it be? Musicals? Friends? Or music? Tough question, I would think, for you. Sean Explicit, I want to know if you could do one thing in your life, anything, what would it be? Let's do this acting/reading challenge that Sean said for us to do. Romeo and Juliet, here I come. Shall I hear more, or shall I speak at this? Oh, speak again, bright angel, for thou art as glorious to this night, being o'er my head as a winged messenger of heaven. Unto the white, upturned, wondering eyes of mortals that fall back to gaze on him, when he bestrides the lazy pacing clouds and sails upon the bosom of the air. O Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou Romeo? Deny thy father, and refuse thy name. Or if thou wilt not, be but with sworn my love, and I'll no longer be a Capulet. Shall I hear more, or shall I speak at this? 'Tis but thy name that is my enemy. Thou art thyself, thou not a Montague. What's Montague? If nor hand nor foot, nor arm no face, nor any other part belonging to a man. Never acting ever again. Never.